Well, there was a large tree here that hung over my house. Thankfully, it was blown down this way. This is the tree that held my bird feeders. Now I've got to get them out of the tree. Which isn't that hard to do now that the tree's down. So here's that tree from my bedroom window. Sure am glad it fell that way. Anyway, just wanted to share what's going on in my neck of the woods. Guess I'll feed them birds tomorrow. I have to find a new tree, of course. Good little suit going out there, and of course gave me a chance to clean my feeder out. Anyway, lots of work to do tomorrow. Clean up.